Today we're going to discuss the preparation of amines. And first we're going to start by primary amines. Primary amines can be prepared from halogenoalkanes according to a reaction which we call the reduction of nitriles. This reaction is a two-step process. In step number 1, halogenoalkanes react with the cyanide ion. The cyanide ion, which is Cn- here, replaces the halide ion by nucleophilic substitution to form a nitrile, which is the compound that we need. Let's take a real example. If I have bromomethane reacting with the cyanide ion here, what will happen is that the nitrogen, which carries the lone pair, will attack the carbon deficient atom here and will break the bond between the bromine and the carbon to form our nitrile like this, which is CH3CN. And the bromide ion that is lost will be as Br-. Now, in the first step, we got our nitrile. Now, what will happen in the second step? Well, the nitrile, which contains the functional group Cn, can be reduced to a primary amine now. But how? Well, we can allow the nitrile to react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. So, if we put our CH3CN nitrile with 2H2, it will give us our primary amine, which is CH3CH2NH2. This method gives a purer primary amine than the reaction of bromoalkane and ammonia, which we have discussed in the previous video. Second, we're gonna discuss the preparation of phenylamine. Phenylamine is the simplest aryl amine, and phenylamine can be made from benzene according to two steps. Step number 1, benzene is reacted with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This produces nitrobenzene. Now, what will happen in the second step? In the second step, nitrobenzene is reduced to phenylamine using tin, which is SN, and hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, as the reducing agent. The tin and the HCl that we have mixed at the beginning, they react to form hydrogen, where this hydrogen that was formed will reduce the nitrobenzene by removing the oxygen from NO2 and replacing them with hydrogen atoms. That's why we got at the end NH2, so we got our phenylamine.